What's up guys, Sean here with the Big Brown Guy channel, and this right here is my most powerful wood splitting tool. It's an 8-pound Weco Axi splitting maul. Got a sledge on the other side. I just sharpened it up. How sharp should these things be? Kind of has a very blunt edge, but I made sure the convex geometry comes down to a nice point. It's not razor sharp, it's not even going to cut paper. You don't want it that sharp. It's on a 36-inch hickory handle. I like the curved handle, even though it makes it so I can't really use the sledge. I just want raw power out of this thing. With a curved handle, you could just hit stuff harder from my experience. So let's go ahead and test it out on this dried piece of cedar. Probably not even going to stand this thing up. I'm just going to start taking blows at it. So here we go. There you have it guys, split in half with an 8-pound maul. Powerful tool. I'm going to use this to get back in shape. Alright, thanks for watching guys, take care.